I don't even think I can roll over $30,000 in negative equity.
Monthly payment doesn't matter to me, just show me the out-the-door number. Is a very funny way to start a car transaction.
There's one truck in the driveway, but the loan thinks he bought two.
How much do you own the vehicle?
I got about $65,609.27.
You owe $65,000 in the truck?
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I got left to pay off on it.
Yeah, brother, I'm way off, man. If I were to give you an offer, man, I'd be like high 33s.
Bought it for, I think it was around 40, but I also rolled over negative equity from my last truck, too. I think that's what.
It looks like it has one small accident on the Carfax.
Accidentally hit my mom's car.
He's not just underwater. He's underwater in a truck that was never worth anywhere near the loan. That's the problem with rolling debt forward. The payment goes up, but the vehicle's value doesn't follow it. Now every payment is covering the truck and cleaning up the last loan.
And how's your credit?
My credit's pretty good. I mean, right now I'm about 680.
Okay, that's decent. All right. Without really seeing the car, you sent some pictures. It looks decent. If you want me to give you an actual offer, more than welcome to come and step in and I can take a look at it better. But I'd be around, like I said, the 33, 34 range. Honestly, man, like if you're trying to sell it, I mean, you'd have a good, $30,000 to pay on top to get off the lien. I mean, I don't have anything that I think you'd be interested in rolling over that much negative equity. Even if I could, I don't even think I can roll over $30,000 in negative equity.
His choices are basically terrible or worse. Either roll the problem into another vehicle and make the next loan even uglier, or keep this one and accept that selling it means writing a check for 30 grand. That's the trap when the debt is bigger than the truck. You don't trade your way out of it. You just decide which version of the pain you want next.
I mean, I guess you're just trying to get out of it?
Or, see what I can get as cheap a payment, but that helps me out a ton with knowing where I stand.
Best advice I can give you, man, is do you have a house?
I do.
If you're at 4.5, maybe with the 680 credit score, applying for a HELOC, pulling out some of that equity, paying down the car, and then, obviously I can buy it from you for the difference, or you can roll it over into a different car, either for me or a different dealership. If you want to make a deal, we can definitely make something happen. Just, you got to come up with the 30,000 plus difference.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, I think, I can swing by maybe sometime today or next week.
Awesome, man.
And we can go from there.
Awesome, brother.
The way out is boring, which nobody wants to do. Pay down what you already have. Drive it longer than you want to. Stop treating every bad loan like it needs a newer vehicle wrapped around it. Put the money into the balance, not another set of keys. Because the payment you avoid is usually better than the upgrade you're chasing.
I'm not looking for something that is going to be too expensive, but I really need a nice car.
Have you financed before? This will be the first time financing.
No, I actually brought my car cash because I didn't want any high notes. Exactly. And that's actually my biggest challenge.
We will have that right choice for you today. So to get everything started, you just need your ID. So I can go ahead and just create a new profile for you here. All right. So I have great news. I have the right vehicle to show based on what you're looking for. Similar to that same size SUV that you have right now.
She already has a paid off SUV. That's the part most people are trying to get to. No payment, no lender, no reminder sitting in the driveway. But apparently paid off is not as exciting as new problem. That's how people turn a win into long-term debt.
With new technology. So
Great,
let's go out there and look at the vehicle. We can test drive it if you like to, and then you will tell me how you feel about it.
Yeah, there you go.
So let me go get the key. I have this beautiful 2024 Jeep Compass I'm going to be showing you right now. Priorities were big screen.
Yes.
Updated technology, and you have that here. Here's the key. Tap right on it. Start it up, and you tell me how you feel about it.
Oh my God. I do like the screen. So you say I can just press the brake and then go like this?
Yep, there it goes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
It was only 17,000 miles on the vehicle, so practically getting a brand new vehicle essentially.
Her priorities are a big screen and new tech. That's exactly how a paid-off SUV starts looking old on purpose. The car still works, the payment is gone. But apparently the dashboard needs to be impressive enough to justify years of payments.
It does have the lane keep assist. It does have heated and ventilated seats too.
I really love everything in there.
All right, so let's get you on a test drive. When you come back, you tell me how you feel about it. So everything worked out. We already signed paperwork. Car's cleaned out for you. It was already pretty clean, but I told a lot of guys to actually clean it again. Here's your key. Let me give you, I have the documents here that we already signed.
Oh
so
my God.
It is everything,
it.
insurance, registration, everything is in there. Let's go outside. So we wrap everything up. We take some pictures, and that's basically gonna be it.
Thank you.
All right.
She's excited because it feels like an upgrade. But the upgrade is also a contract. That I can't believe it feeling wears off a lot faster than the payment does. Cars are transportation. And now transportation just took a big piece of her income for the next several years.
I got banks for good credit, bad credit, slow credit, building credit, rebuilding credit, bankruptcy, repo. What kind of bank do I need to call to get you approved?
My credit's not bad. It's like a 600. It's
600?
really not that bad.
Okay.
I have the truck out there. I was trading it in. I owe like $7,000 on it.
You got the keys on it?
Yeah, I do.
Check it out. I'm trying to get more than what's worth. This young man will grab some information.
They had you appraised at $6,000 for it.
$6,000. How much you owe again?
$7,000.
$7,000. Okay.
Honestly, think it's worth more than that. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a 08 with 170,000 miles on it.
I'll tell you something. They call me Michael Jackson because I just beat it, baby. We'll get you more than that.
His credit isn't bad, it's a 600. That's the kind of score where the bank doesn't say no. It just makes a yes hurt. And the worst part is he doesn't owe that much on the vehicle he already has. $7,000 left is not the time to go shopping. That's the time to shut up, finish the loan, and stop giving the bank your money.
So here's how it works. Let's say 15 grand is what we're trying to get from the bank. You got perfect credit. We use the bank's money. Now, the worse the credit is, the more initial cash investment. My job is to paint a picture to the bank to show you is the least amount of risk. Now, how do I do that? The maximum cash down. So if I send it in, say 8,000 to 9,000 down, puts me at a 50% call. What bank wouldn't do it, right? I can get a crackhead finance with 50% LTV. So I can always go down. I can never go up. Meaning if I send it in with 2K down and it turns it down, we f***ed up our chance with that bank.
Down payments are great when they're part of a good plan, but when the salesman is hunting for the biggest one possible, that usually tells you the loan is going to be bad. A 600 score doesn't get you a good deal. It gets you a deal the bank has to protect itself from. And if it takes every dollar you have to make the bank comfortable, maybe the vehicle is already telling you no.
Sending with 8-9 grand down, they approve it. I call them. I got my boy here. You just got him approved with 9 grand down. We do no money down, right? And we go back and forth like a rocket chair. Might end up on 500, 1,000. We don't know, right? But if we f*** up our chances, we're for good. What's maximum cash today without taking no cheese out the macaroni?
I don't have nothing down today.
Zero?
I was trying to use the truck. As
Use the
initial,
truck?
Yeah.
Okay. And your girl, you said she's got pretty good credit?
Oh, yeah.
She got a vehicle?
She
Who's
has
it?
one through you guys. She has 2023 Ford Escape Active
How long you had the truck?
since February.
Okay, so recent.
No money down should be the clue, not the obstacle, the clue. If you can't put anything towards the vehicle, you probably can't afford the vehicle because the payment is only part of it. Insurance, repairs, gas, maintenance. All of that still shows up after the salesman is done smiling.
It was like 9,800. I put 2 grand down. The car payments are 300 a month, but I pay extra on it all. I pay 4 or 5
Okay.
to keep knocking that down.
What's up, bro?
That's his profile. I just scanned the truck in.
Mm-hmm. Did you get pay stubs?
Yeah, it was
Perfect. Also, his girlfriend.
co-signed.
Yep.
You gotta get her information.
Let me go to work. We're going to get you in the Jeep today, Bubba.
Now his girlfriend is getting pulled into the deal. That's what happens when the numbers don't work on their own. A 600 score, no money down. And now someone else has to make the vehicle possible. That's not romantic. That's using your relationship as a down payment.
Let me de-influence you. I drive a Toyota. Most popular car by millionaires, actually. My boyfriend drives a Porsche. My car costs $80 to fill up a tank of gas. His costs a few hundred. Mine, I barely ever need gas. His, once a week. Mine barely needs repairs. His check engine light, it's never off. He takes it in, it's still on.
A Porsche looks good, right up until the repair bill starts acting like a second car payment. That badge might impress people for 5 minutes, but that badge is also the reason every problem costs more. Sometimes a better vehicle is the one that just starts every day and leaves your bank account alone.
And you can only take it to certain Porsche specialty places. They charge an arm and a leg. Like, it's terrible. I don't want to, like, even if I had all the money in the world, the time, the effort, I don't have time to deal with that. I would way rather drive my cheap, efficient Toyota.
Reliability should come first. Maintenance should come first. But a lot of people start with the badge and the features. That's how expensive vehicles sneak past common sense. They look good when you buy them, then remind you what they are every time something needs fixing.
Monthly payment doesn't matter to me, just show me the out-the-door number. Is a very funny way to start a car transaction. The out-the-door number is absolutely zero problem. I can get that for you in seconds. Price of the vehicle, 6% sales tax, fees add up to about $720 in West Virginia. So you get that for them, you put it in front of them, they read over it, and then guess what the next question is? Correct, what's my payment? Now I will say, asking for the out-the-door number is a very, very, very important part of the car buying process. Do not skip it, you need to know what you're paying for. But don't tell me payment doesn't matter. If it really don't matter, strap in, big boy. We're going for 24 months. Actually, I did have a lady today that payment didn't matter.
That's actually the right order to ask the questions. Start with the out-the-door number because that's the real price. Then ask about the payment because that's how the price gets spread out. One tells you what the vehicle actually costs. The other tells you how badly it's going to hit every month.
Finance the entirety of a brand new Bronco Sport because she is earning more in her savings and retirement accounts than what the Bronco Sport interest was. She got that John for 36 months. But on a real note, just be honest with me. Tell me what matters to you. If you are trying to be under a certain amount per month, that's great. If you want to talk about out the door as well, let's talk about it. That's fantastic. Just be straightforward. It's a symbiotic relationship, you and I. It's like one of them sea anemones, but then the little fish are swimming around in it. I don't know. Find them out in the comments. Follow me for more content like this. Spitting Bar selling cars.
He wants the customers to be honest with him, which is funny, because the customer is usually the one trying to figure out what the real number is. Before someone agrees to the payment, they need to know what they're actually paying for. That total price matters, because a comfortable monthly payment can hide a terrible deal for a very long time. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.